In this video, we'll show you how to schedule a safety check with your Pixel phone. If you're entering an uncertain situation where you have some concern for your own safety, like walking in an area where you've never been before, or going to a party where you don't know everyone, you can schedule a safety check. When you schedule a safety check, your phone will check on you at a set time, and if you don't confirm that you're safe, it'll let your emergency contacts know that something is wrong. Before you use Safety Check, make sure you allow Google Maps and the Personal Safety app to use your location. To change your location permissions, open your Settings app and tap Location, then tap Use Location. To turn on Safety Check, swipe up from the home screen to find all your apps. Tap Safety. Next, tap Safety Check. Choose your reason, and then your duration. You can choose from 15 minutes to 8 hours in the future. Then tap Next. Select which contact you want notified if you miss the safety check. Then tap Turn On. Now you know how to schedule a safety check with your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.